gathered the troublesome trucks to the shed. He told them of the last big storm to blow through the island of Sodor, and that it was an heroic little engine that helped save the day. Thomas was on his way back to Knapford Station when the storm hit full force. The wind blew and the rain sloshed Thomas's firebox, so his driver decided to wait out the storm on a siding. The next morning the storm had passed, but Thomas was still left without any dry coal.
"We need to find some more coal for your fire, Thomas, so we'll be able to drive full steam ahead,"
said his driver. Maybe we can find. I'm still feeling a bit cold. Jeb. I don't think anyone's in there. Let's come back later. Let's check Wellsworth Station for some. A bucket of fresh coal. That'll help heat up my steam. Now, I have enough steam to get up the hill and then on to Knapford Station.
To continue the... Thomas, here you are at last,
said Sir Topham Hatt.
The big storm has caused delays all over the island, and the cargo for Mr. Jolly's chocolate factory is lost. Those crates are the very ones the workers need to make the chocolate. Please go to Mr. Jolly's chocolate factory at once and find out what help is needed.
Knapford Switching Yard. Sodor Windmill. Brendam Coast. Sodor. It's good to see you, Thomas. I was caught in the storm, and the next thing I knew, I hit something on the track and got derailed. I was just on my way to deliver a new hook for Harvey, but now I need him to come help me. Could you bring him his new hook so that he can lift me up? The cursor will glow whenever you pass up. No, thank you. I don't need that right now. Tidmouth, we need to... We need... Callan Viaduct.
I'm just helping Sir Topham Hatt see all the things that need to be fixed after the storm.
It's windy up here. It's windy up here. It's windy up here. Hello, Thomas. I'm waiting for Edward to deliver my new hook. Have you seen him? Thanks for the hook, Thomas. Now I just need a new chain to go along with it. Can you help me make the chain? We need to add links to Harvey's chain so that it will be long enough. Find a new half that matches the end of the chain. To add a new link, click on it to put the ends next to each other. To flip the link you're trying to match, just click on it. When you think you have the right piece in place, click on the hammer to make a new link. We need to make 4 more links. That's 1. Only a few more to go. That's 2. Perfect fit. The chain is getting longer. That's 3. Now you've got the hang of it. That's 4. Excellent. That chain is long enough for Harvey's new hook. My new chain is complete. Thank you. I'll go ahead now and check on Edward. I may need your help, though, so I'll meet you back at the windmill. Cow. It's windy up here. So I'm still getting used to this new hook and chain. Can you help me guide the hook to Edward so that we can get him back on the tracks? Now, Harvey can help Edward. Thank you, Thomas. Now I can get back to work, and you can get through to the chocolate factory. Good luck.
Well done. Click the next chapter to continue the adventure.
Said one worker. They asked Thomas to help find Percy and his cargo. So Tidmouth's. There you are, Percy. The workers at the chocolate factory are looking for you. They need you to deliver their cargo.
Oh, Thomas, it was so scary. In the storm, I crashed into something and all my cargo smashed into the cave. And now I can't go in there.
Why not, Percy?
It's too dark and scary.
I'm sure there isn't anything scary in there, Percy. I'll find you a new lamp, and we can go get the crate. So... a new lamp. Tid. Sodor Windmill.
I guess we should go check out the cave now. Why don't you go first? I'll be right behind you.
We need to tell Percy what all the spooky sounds really are, so we can keep going. Help me guess what each sound could be.
What horrible creature could be making that sound? I see now, Thomas. It's only an old-fashioned car horn.
Of course. That's what we really heard.
Oh, Thomas, let's not go any farther. I see now, Thomas. It's only a wind chime.
Of course. That's what we really heard.
I just know those spooky sounds are ghosts. I see now, Thomas. It's only a metal triangle.
Of course. That's what we really heard.
If you want to leave the activity, click here.
Look, that's Percy's cargo for the chocolate factory.
Thank you, Thomas. Now I should bring Mr. Jolly's chocolate factory their supplies as fast as I can.
Well done. Click the next chapter to continue the adventure.
The workers thanked Thomas and Percy.
Now, Thomas,
said one of the workers,
we need 3 more items. Sir Topham Hatt has informed us that the wind blew the cargo all over the island. Do you think you can find the 3 missing crates, Thomas? This list will show you what items we still need to find.
We need 3 more cocoa beans. Sugar cocoa beans. Eggs. Cocoa beans. Egg. Cocoa beans. Cocoa eggs.
So...
Knapford Switching Yard.
Thomas, I'm glad you're here. The wind blew the cargo out of my net and into the river. Can you look for something to help me fish everything out? There's a lot of useful tools at Jeb Cole's work shed. You might try looking there. Have you found the items to...
Nap. Good job. You found sugar, cocoa beans. We still need 2 more ingredients.
Hello, Thomas. I could use your help. Everyone needs the items in this shed to help with the cleanup. But there is so much debris from the storm, we can't get anything out. Can you find something to help clear away the branches?
Well...